Okay, so beta is equal to 1.4 minus 0.076 W by T Fy upon Fu, then Bs upon Lc, and it should be less than or equal to Fu into gamma m naught divided by Fy into gamma m1, and it should be greater than 0.7. So are you getting here? This is number 1 and this is number 2. याच्यामध्ये अँगलचे दोन फॉर्म्युले आहेत. सी the very important step is the step number 4 here. Design strain due to rupture of critical section. So if plate is there, we have to use this formula TDN. Net, N is the net. Critical section means the net section. So design strength due to rupture of net section. So this formula is 0.9 ANFU divided by gamma is for plate. If angle is given in problem statement. In this case, number 1 and number 2. If number 1 is the if number of bolts are given. If number of bolts are given, you have to use the formula for beta. And if number of bolts are not given in problem statement, then you have to use the formula for alpha. So simple is there. And these two formulas are available in IS code. Are you getting? So ANC in AGO, when you will calculate, if you have to use the formula beta, then you will calculate ANC in AGO in step number 2. See, for plate we have calculated AN here. For angle here again you can write down. तुम्ही परत इथे लिहू शकता की number of bolts are given. जर number of bolts दिले असतील तर तुम्ही काय करणार आहे? बीटाचा फॉर्म्युला वापर आहे. And number 2, if number of bolts are given, then you have to calculate ANC in AGO. If number of bolts are not given, then you have to calculate AN for angle. So step number 2 and step number 4, these two steps are very important. Are you getting? जे स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये आपण बघा, लक्ष द्या जरा. स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये आपण काय केलं? AN काढला. फॉर प्लेट साठी AN काढला स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये. तुम्ही लक्ष स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये द्या. स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये आपण काय केलं? फॉर प्लेट we have calculated AN, and that AN where we have to use in step number 4 for plate formula. Then next in step number 2 we have calculated ANC and AGO. In step number 2 we have calculated ANC and AGO. That ANC and AGO where required if number of bolts are not given, and if you use the formula for beta, then ANC and AGO is required. Same, if number of bolts are not given, then we have calculated in step number 2 AN we have calculated. Gaurav, what is the formula for AZ, gross area of plate? Gross area of plate, where we have calculated? We need not to calculate the gross area of plate, but we have to calculate gross area of plate. How to calculate gross area of plate? Gross area of plate is equal to similarly B into T. This B into T is the gross area of plate. This is for plate. Gross area of plate is nothing but width of plate into thickness. Thickness का घेतो आपण? Thickness is the minimum dimension where our member will fail. Simple आहे. लेंथ मध्ये मेंबर फेल होणार नाही आपला. खूप इम्पॉर्टंट महत्वाची गोष्ट आहे. ज्यावेळी आपला मेंबर अंडर टेन्शन कंडिशन मध्ये असेल, when our member will be under tension, the thickness is the less dimension. where the less dimension is there, there may be the failure. So why we are considering thickness here, width into thickness, because these two dimensions are very less as compared to length of plate. So the failure will be in the thickness and width. So here we are considering the area, net area for gross area is the B into L. This width into this thickness is the gross area of plate. But we have to calculate here net area. So we have to deduct these 4 holes. Simple. Net area means we have to deduct these 4 holes from this width. Are you getting, Gaurav? Gross area is nothing but width of plate into thickness of plate. So this is the thickness, sorry, T. Are you getting? This is the gross area of plate. And the gross area of angle is directly given in IS code. If this angle is 80 by 50 by 8, so for that directly gross area given in IS, sorry, steel table. Sorry, steel table. स्टील टेबल मध्ये हा सेक्शन अवेलेबल आहे, तिथे तुम्हाला याचा डायरेक्ट ग्रॉस एरिया मिळतो. प्लेटचा ग्रॉस एरिया B into T. So from B into T you can deduct these holes. Are you getting? So this is the design strength due to rupture of critical section for angle. So TDN, both TDN formulas are there. For beta formula, if number of bolts are not given, and alpha formula, sorry, beta formula if number of bolts are given, and the alpha formula for number of bolts not given. Okay, so this is the step number 4. Mahesh Shalunke, TYB65, are you present for last lecture? Mahesh, तुम्ही लास्ट लेक्चरला होता का? अल्फाचे फॉर्म्युले लिहून दिलेत. अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0.6, अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0.7. So I have given in last lecture alpha is equal to 0.6 when number of bolts 1 or 2. We have to assume number of bolts. Alpha is equal to 0.6. Mahesh, I am writing here. Alpha is equal to 0.6. कधी घेणार 0.6? We have to assume number of bolts 1 or 2. Number of bolts are not given, so we have to assume. Then alpha is equal to 0.7. Number of bolts 3, and alpha is equal to 0.8. 4 and more. 4 or more. And again that is given on the page number 33. Please IS code. समोर IS code ठेवा. सगळं IS code मध्ये आहे. अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू IS code मध्ये दिलेली आहे. प्लीज मित्रांनो, मी सांगितलंय IS code शिवाय काही नाही. तुम्हाला IS code मध्ये सगळं समोर दिसत असते फॉर्म्युले. फक्त मी लिहिलेली प्रोसिजर वापरायची आहे की कशानंतर काय काढायचंय, पण फॉर्म्युले समोर आहेत तुमच्या. अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, बीटाची व्हॅल्यूचा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे, हे सगळं अननोन्स वगैरे दिलेले आहेत. W म्हणजे काय. त्यामुळे IS कोड हा तुमचा एक गायडिंग बुक आहे या सब्जेक्ट साठी. सो प्लीज बी प्रिंट ऑफ IS कोड अँड रीड IS कोड. आज तुम्ही हे मी दिलेलं न वाचू नका, पण IS कोड टेन्शन मेंबरची काय काय दिले ते वाचून काढा. एकदा IS कोड मध्ये तुमच्या लक्षात आलं कुठं काय दिले, यू विल बी एक्सपर्ट in this subject. So please, so this is the value of alphas are given in IS code. So are you getting, Mahesh? Alphas value are given on the page number 33. These values are given. Okay, so step number 4 is over. Now step number 5. Step number 5 is the calculate design strength due to block shear. Calculate design strength due to block shear. And so there are two design strength of block shear are there, TDB1 and TDB2. So TDB1 is the AVG Fy divided by under root of, again this formula is given on page number 33. plus 0.9 ANFU divided by gamma M1. This is for TDB1 and TDB2. TDB2 is the 0.9 AN, sorry, AN not. Please, 1 minute. Here also, please, here also change it there. Just minute. This is ATN. ATN is there. So again here, AVN divided by under root of 3 gamma M1 plus ATG Fy divided by gamma M0. So these are the design strength due to block shear. So TDB1 and TDB2, these two strength they have given in the IS code. So for this formula, you have to open IS code only. Otherwise, if you are writing simply this formula, maybe there is a what mistake will be there. And here, how to calculate AVG, AVN, ATG, and ATN that we have learned in the last lecture, or today morning also we have seen AVG, AVN, ATG, and ATN. Are you getting? Just minute. Okay, so this is the procedure of the type 1, that is the load carrying capacity of the tension member. So we'll see again what we have. Okay, you can see here the type 1 load carrying capacity of the tension member. So we have seen the procedure. So step 1, what is step 1? Calculate diameter of bolt hole. So that diameter of bolt hole we have to calculate by using this formula. Then step 1 is over. Now here step 2, calculate net area of the plate or angle section. So net area for plate, N is equal to this formula we have to use. And for angle, so for angle there are two formulas are there, one of beta and for the if we calculate the rupture strength, then there are two formulas that are there, one of beta and one of alpha. when beta formula, when we are using, if number of bolts are given in problem statement, then we are using beta formula. In the beta formula, ANC and AGO are there, that we have to calculate. And here n is the, this n is the number of rows, not a number of bolts. And if we have to use the alpha formula, means we have to calculate an, the an is in the alpha formula for angle, then we have to calculate an. So the step number 2 is the net area. Then step number 3, design strain due to rupture of gross section, TDG. Step number 4 is the design strain due to rupture of critical section. In the rupture of critical section, for plate, the formula is different. For angle, again, if number of bolts are given and number of bolts are not given, the alpha and beta, two formulas are there. And the next step is the last step is the calculate design strength due to block shear. And in block shear again, two formulas are there, and that are the TDB1, TDB2. And the last step, step number 6 is Mahesh, you were absent no last
Yes, sir.
lecture. You were
Yes, sir.
absent. So BS and LC I have explained in detail yesterday. Still I will repeat, but I have explained in detail, in very well
Yes,
manner. Yesterday I have detail, because for that I have to draw so many sketches, and that sketches I have drawn yesterday, or I think day before yesterday. So I have to draw the so many
सर ये
sketches.
नहीं
हाँ बोला
सर कोणता तर प्रॉब्लेम चालू झाल्यानंतर मग सांगचाल का?
हा डिटेल प्रॉब्लेम झाल्यानंतर मी डिटेल परत रिपीट होणार ते सगळं, जे तुम्हाला अगोदर प्रोसिजर मध्ये मी दिलंय ते सगळं प्रॉब्लेम चालू असताना रिपीट सगळे कॅल्क्युलेशन होणार तुमचे. सो त्यावेळी मी तुम्हाला डिटेल सांगतो. आता पुढच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये येईलच. आता पहिला प्लेटचा झाला की दुसरा अँगलच्या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये येतो, त्यावेळी मी डिटेल सांगतो आणखी. ओके. अँड लास्ट स्टेप, स्टेप नंबर 6 इज दी कॅल्क्युलेट डिझाईन स्ट्रेंथ. Design strength of tension member. So design strength of tension member, similar to bolted connection. In bolted connection, what is the design strength of bolted connection?
Minimum of these.
Similar to here, the minimum design strength is the design strength of tension member is equal to minimum design strength of TDG, TDN and TDB1 or TDB2. What is TDG? TDG is the yielding of cross section. TDN is the rupture of critical section. TDB1 and TDB2 are the block shears. So या तिन्हीतली स्टेप नंबर 3, 4 आणि 5 या तिन्हीतली जी मिनिमम स्ट्रेंथ असेल ती तुमची काय असणार आहे? डिझाइन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ टेन्शन. आर यू गेटिंग? सो दिस इज दी procedure of the load carrying capacity of the tension members. So now we will start the problems. So today I will share again this PDF notes on your WhatsApp group. Then you will learn what we have learned in last 2 lecture, how to calculate each and every design strength. Otherwise problem start केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला एक हळूहळू डिटेल आणखी समजत जाईल. So this is over, everyone has written. So this is the procedure. So shall I move towards? Okay. So next is the examples on load carrying capacity. Next point is the examples on load carrying capacity of tension member. Load carrying capacity of tension member. Okay. So first example on the load carrying capacity. So write down everyone. Example number 1. Two plates Mahesh, the load and strength, these are the not a different word. Load is in kilonewton and strength is in also kilonewton. You have asked me, sir, we are calculating load carrying capacity म्हणजेच आपण strength calculate करतोय, kilonewton मध्ये strength calculate करतोय. How much load can carry that member? It is nothing but how much strength can carry of that member. Strength and stress is different. Stress is nothing but stress is in Newton per mm square, but load is in kilonewton, kg or Newton. So we are calculating load here. Design strength is nothing but strength is in kilonewton. How much load in kilonewton or kg or Newton we can calculate. That is, the strength and load are the same, similar word. Stress is the another word. Stress is in Newton per mm square. आणि त्या Newton per mm square ला जर आपण परत am I audible properly? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So strength and load are the same word. Strength is nothing but somewhat value in kilonewton, Newton or kg. And load also the value of kilonewton, kg. Only the stress is the different word. That is in the Newton per mm square. And if we multiply this in some area, then you will get in Newton, and that is the strength. Are you getting? So strength and stress, these are the different word, but strength and the load, these are the same word. So design strength is it is nothing but how much load that member will be carried. So write down example number 1. Two plates 180 mm by 20 mm are connected. Two plates 180 mm by 20 mm are connected in a lap joint using bolts of 20 mm diameter, using bolts of 20 mm diameter as shown in figure. As shown in figure. As shown in figure. Full stop. Determine the strength. Determine the strength of a plate in tension. In tension. Full stop. Full stop. Take Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square and Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. The problem statement is given, two plates 180 mm by 20 mm are connected in a lap joint using bolts of 20 mm diameter as shown in figure. Determine the strength of a plate in a tension. Full stop. Take Fy is equal to 250 Newton per mm square and Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. And they have given sketch. Sketch is given. So I will draw the sketch. You are writing simultaneously. Please write simultaneously. Also draw the sketch. These are the two plates connected. The bolts are given. Total 6 bolts are given. So this length is 100 mm. This is 40 mm. This is 40 mm they have given. And total width of the plate is 180 mm. So out of 180, 100 is this gauge distance they have given. So 180 by 20 is the thickness they have given, thickness of plate. And here also they have given this distance is 40 mm. Again, this is again 50 and 50 and 40. Like this, they have given the figure. Okay, over. Okay, figure is over. Okay. Now, given data, what is given data is there? The plate size they have given. The plate size is 180 mm by 20 mm is given. It means they have given width B is equal to 180 mm given and T is equal to 20 mm they have given. Are you getting? Plate size is 180 by 20 mm given. So width of plate, this width of plate is B, this is B is equal to 180 mm they have given, and thickness is in this direction. Here thickness is there, that thickness is 20 mm they have given. Then diameter of bolt hole D naught is given. D naught is 20 mm given. Again, Fy is 250 MPa and Fu is 410 Newton per mm square is given. So read the problem statement. Then you will get know what they have given. Okay. Now we have to follow the procedure. So procedure step 1. What is step 1? What step 1 they have given in the our load carrying capacity procedure? Step 1 is given, that is calculate diameter of bolt hole. Calculate diameter of bolt hole, that is DH. So DH. So how much diameter of bolt is given? So D naught plus. How much we have to add? The diameter of bolt is 20 mm they have given.
2.
So we have to add here 2. So 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 mm is the diameter of bolt hole. Step number 1 is diameter of bolt hole. So diameter of bolt hole is depend upon the diameter of bolt only. So here we can calculate the diameter of bolt hole D naught plus by adding 2. So here if we add 20 plus 2, so 22 is the diameter of bolt hole. Now step 2. What is step 2? Calculate net area of member, net area of a member, or here काय आपण वापरले या ठिकाणी प्लेट वापरले. सो वी कॅन से नेट एरिया ऑफ द प्लेट. So what is formula for net area of the plate? Now you have to go in the procedure. Go to procedure, step number 2. Net area of the plate AN is equal to what is formula? B minus
B
N
minus N into D
DH into
into T.
T. Correct. So here B is given. So what is B? 180. B is there. Now N are the number of bolts. Number of bolts in plate. So number of bolts. How many number of bolts are given? 6 number of bolts are there. Now DH is 22 into thickness 20. So calculate AN, net area of the plate.
960 mm square.
960 mm square is the net area of the plate. Please everyone, simple calculations are there. We have to calculate net area. Net area is nothing but we have to deduct the holes. Whatever holes we have provided to the plates, that we have to deduct. So that we have to deduct means from the earlier area. Earlier area is the B into T. So we have to deduct these holes from the B into, we have to multiply by T. So this is the net area, 960 mm square. So next step number 3. What is step number 3? Calculate design strength due to yielding of cross section. So step number 3 is calculate design strength due to yielding of cross section.